Today, I am going to explain the purchase process in acsysERP. The modules in purchase process are Indent, Purchase Order, then Material Receipt Voucher, Purchase Return, Purchase Invoice, Debit Note, and Payment Voucher. This slide shows the purchase flow, where the system allows conversion from one document to another. It can be either receiving materials first, followed by invoice and then the payment. This is referred as Purchase Process 1. Or make the invoice first, and then Material Receipt Voucher later. This is referred as Purchase Process 2. In this video, we will cover the Purchase Process 1. It's not necessary to start from Indent. You can start at any document stage, based on individual business requirements. Now, I am going to start with Indent. Open the Indent form, and click on New button. Then, select the vendor name. Enter the item and quantity. For the second item, let's have a closer look at the item dialog. Here, you can see the stock by warehouse, or branch. This section below shows the item history of previous quotation, sales order, delivery order, invoice, and purchase order. Now save the document and print. Next step is Purchase Order form, and click on New button. We can enter the details directly, or convert it from Indent. Let's select the recently saved Indent. This will load all the relevant details from the Indent. Previous purchase price for this vendor is automatically set. We can manually change it required. Now, open the Purchase Order List view. It shows the newly created document with open status. Next, we will convert the purchase order to Material Receipt Voucher. Open the Material Receipt Voucher form, click on New button, select the purchase order number from the list. We will make multiple MRV for this purchase order. Remove item 3. For item 2, change the quantity from 10 to 5. The purchase order list view shows the status as partial. Now, let's receive the remaining items for this purchase order. Create a new Material Receipt Voucher. Select the same purchase order number. The remaining items and quantity are populated. Save the document. Let's recheck the purchase order status. It is closed now. At this stage, the inventory will get affected. GL entries are posted to inventory and accrued liability accounts. Next step is to invoice the 2 recent Material Receipt Voucher. Open the Purchase Invoice form, and click the New button. On selecting the vendor, all uninvoiced Material Receipt Vouchers are listed. Save and print the invoice. Click on this button to see the GL entries for this document. Let me open the Billwise report and the ledger statement. Let's make the cash payment for the latest invoice. Open the payment voucher form and click on New button. Select the vendor name and the cash account. Key in the paid amount and press Enter to launch the invoice matching form. You can either enter the partial amount or select the full payment option. Save the document and print the receipt. Now, you can see the payment reflected in the bill-wise purchase and ledger statement. You have seen the purchase process 1 in acSys ERP. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.